With Vivi Text Announcements, you can share on-screen text announcements to any display in your Vivi network, and, using Vivi Central, schedule them to be shown at specific times. To send announcements to Vivi displays, permission will need to be given to selected users by an IT administrator. Refer to our video on configuring announcements for more information. To send an announcement, navigate to Vivi Central and select Announcements in the left-hand menu. Select Create New in the upper right. Use the Add Destination button to choose which Vivi displays will receive the announcement. From the pop-up, you can select individual rooms, locations, or groups, depending on your permission levels. Once selected, click Add. Enter your message into the text box. You can enter up to 150 characters. Note that this can include letters, numbers, and symbols. A preview of the announcement will be shown on the left side of the window. Enter the number of minutes the announcement will be shown on the display. Once complete, select Send Now to show the message instantly. In the pop-up, confirm the details and select Send. Alternatively, the announcement can be scheduled to play at a specific time. To schedule a text announcement, fill in the details, then select Schedule. On the next page, select the date and time that the announcement needs to be shown. It can also be repeated on a regular schedule. Select Next Step. A summary of the announcement will be shown. Select Create Schedule to complete.